fucking know. Times is fucking not good at Old Trafford at the moment. That was a piss poor performance. Somebody's happy tonight, and they're up there. Fucking hell, that was really bad, that wasn't it? Really fucking bad. Come on, Johnny, time to go.
Wait here for a bit till everyone goes in the traffic.
Why?
Just wait here, Dad. Might as well now, it's late already, so might as well wait here for a bit.
Shocking! Shocking! What? No, we're not quite doing that, we're going. Out of here. Well done, fucking Palace! See how sporting we are? Sporting fans. 8 sporting fans is better than no sporting fans.